Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video we're going to be decorating 2 candles and we're going to do it Victoria's Secret style, guys. So let's jump into the video. Let me show you exactly what we'll be using. So these 2 white candles, guys, I got them at the Dollar Tree. Okay, and they do come in colors, so you can do them in any color. I just like white. Then on the internet, I went ahead and I printed 2 different Victoria's Secret logos. Here's one. And I went ahead, after I printed it, I just put a layer of Mod Podge on there so that nothing smears and the ink doesn't leak. Then I printed this one. So there are 2 different kinds of Victoria's Secret candles, and then we'll be embellishing with that. Now I am going to be using the bling wrap in the gold. We're just using our excess to decorate the candles. So that's what the bling wrap looks like in gold, and this is what the packaging looks like. Okay. So it's very easy to decorate these candles, guys, and they do make nice gifts. I'm going to give these to my daughter because she loves Victoria's Secret. And that's what gave me the idea. Okay, so let's jump right into it, guys. So I'm going to use my blocks so the candle doesn't move. So you figure out what side you want to use. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead before I do the Mod Podging and all of that, and I'm going to do the bling wrap on the top and on the bottom. I just want to get that out of the way first. And while that's drying, I'm going to get my silicone finger, just in case. I don't know, these things don't stretch, guys. I don't know. I'm not going to glue all over the place. I'm just going to glue in certain spots of the bling wrap. Okay, and this is what we have so far, guys. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and Mod Podge. And I'm going to start with this one. So I would like this one to be right around where I'm going to embellish. For both of them, and that's what this is going to look like when it's laying down. Now what I don't want to do in this particular case, I don't want to get the Mod Podge on the glass. So I'm bringing it as close to the edge as possible. Okay. Once you're happy with the placement, guys, you want to lay that down. Okay, and that's what that looks like. Isn't that beautiful? I am going to seal the top, but I don't need to seal that right now. We're just going to continue working. Isn't that beautiful? beautiful that looks, guys. So now we are going to work on that top embellishment there. So I think I would like to place this embellishment right in the center here. And it doesn't matter, I would like it to stick up a little bit higher. So we're going to do that. So we'll take some hot glue. Now while that's drying, guys, inside of the rose mesh we have some indentations. I think I might have said this to you before. Inside of the rose mesh you have like a little indentation. I'm going to go ahead and put a pearl on the top of these, okay? And then we'll move on to the next one. How beautiful that looks, guys. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I really love the way that looks. Okay, so I'm not finished yet. I'm going to put one of these pear-shaped pearls, these big ones. I'm just going to put that at that very point on the bottom of that label, and I think we're pretty much done with that. So let me just stand that up this way. Okay, guys, so here's the first one. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? This makes such a beautiful gift, guys, and really, if you don't count the embellishment, you printed the label off of the computer, and using a few little embellishments, guys, these will make a great gift, great favor even, if you're having a party. I think this is so nice. My daughter loves Victoria's Secret, so I think I'm going to give this to her. So here's the one candle, guys, so now we're going to work on the second one. Okay, we're going to do the same as far as putting the gold around the top and the bottom. Let me get that finger on, guys. And I may not have to seal that, because it's not anything anybody will be touching. It looks like it laid down very nicely. So, I don't know. I'll see. We're going to go ahead and lay that label down. Now we're just going to get as close to the edge as possible. Okay, so I'm going to center this as best as possible, because this one is longer than the other one. Make sure you like the placement, and then you lay it down. that beautiful, guys? Now remember, I already sealed it beforehand, and that's the only reason why I said I probably will not go back and reseal it, because I don't think I need to. I already sealed it. I just want to make sure that it's laying down nice. So now what we're going to do is we're going to lay that brooch down. Well, for me it's a brooch, guys. I handmade it, and this is the one we're placing down. Now I also have another strip of the rose mesh that I am going to use. I'm going to see, maybe I have enough for the top. I doubt I have enough for the top and the bottom, but maybe if I use, let's see. Because we could always go back and fill in the rest with pearls, so which is what we're going to do anyway. So I think I'm going to cut that. To put, I think I might put one right here. Okay. So this is what this one looks like. So this is the center, guys, because you have the full name, Victoria's Secret. So this is the center, right where the brooch falls. And again, I handmade these. I sit down and I just kind of, I cut out a circle. It could be a piece of cardboard or anything. Then you just kind of fill it with gems, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I hope the camera's doing that justice here. So here's the Victoria's Secret with this logo. Okay, and here is the one with this logo. I think both of them are absolutely gorgeous, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. Click like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.